Recovered Carbon Black 2025. I'm here with BK from LD Carbon, who came all the way from Korea. Hello, BK.
Hello. Hello, Martin.
You have written history in Asia for sure, working with Hankook, Korean Black Cycle. What is new from LD Carbon? What is the news?
First of all, you have mentioned that we have been quite a success, and it is actually we got a lot of support from not only from Hankook Tire, but also like Ministry of Environment of Korea and also Korean Tire Manufacturing Associations. So it's like all the helps around, like externally and internally. So we are very grateful for how much we have advanced so far. We still got a long way to go. But so far in LD Carbon, what I can tell you about the development is that we actually have completed our brand new pyrolysis site of tire. That's about 50 KT of ELT. So that's pretty much, we'll have a production of 22 KT of oil and 20 KT of rCB. And right now we are ramping up a stage, and at the beginning of August we started ramping process. We will be reaching around 55 to 60% ramping up the process by end of this year, and we are hoping to get to near 90 or 100% by either end of the first half next year or beginning of the second half next year.
Wow, that's super impressive. Do you have any plans outside the region, maybe in Europe or so?
Europe seems like a lot of competition here, and seems like getting a permit is also a big hurdle here. But again, besides Europe, we are definitely, we are the Asian company, and like there are big tire companies in not only in Korea, but of course, not to mention in Japan. So we are working very closely with their R&D, and then they have their own transplant in ASEAN region. So we are actually looking for the several joint venture options in ASEAN regions, because just as a foreign company, it's just really difficult to penetrate in the new market, new country, because they have different environmental regulations and relationships. Yeah, those are pretty tough. So
we heard about it this morning, right?
Yeah. So we are trying to definitely get a help, and we help them too. So we are trying to set up the JV.
Yeah, super impressive with Hankook. I talked with Hankook this morning, and they said rCB in every tire. That's super impressive.
It's very generous for them to say that. I don't know if the LD Carbon rCB in it, but hopefully we certainly hope that we do. We are definitely trying to make everything possible to have a quality product for all the customers, because it's not just from the pure crude oil into the chemical, it's turning the waste into the chemical product. So we think that it's a top priority in our hands to have a quality, always stable. Yeah, that's our target all the time.
Thank you so much, BK.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks for having me.